Clouds on one side, sun beaming on the other. Yo, is this thing on? Is this thing on? It's so fucking hot, bro. Anyways, it's been about a month. Alright. Yeah, about a month, 3,000 miles. I got my oil changed and my tires rotated since also. But man, this thing, all I gotta say is, wow. This thing is insane. Even with the car only being stage 1 right now, it pushed the power down incredibly well. It's crazy, man. It's so much fun to drive. I love it. I love it. No slip, of course, thank God. But it's quick, man. I'm very happy. It drives great. It's a little bit heavier than factory, but it feels great. Yo, my car is dirty as fuck. I have to do my rear brakes and my rotors. I'm waiting on a 14 mil. I have everything I need, just a 14 mil 12-point socket. Let's go ahead and fire this shit up. Eco Newer clutch. Cause man, it is dummy hot, bro. Florida's not playing. Dash lights. Everything else aside from the clutch and flywheel that we put in came out excellent. The ECS tuning bleeder block works excellent. The 42 draft assigns bushings also did a great job in adding some much needed stabilization in that shifter because it was really loose. But as far as drivability goes, man, the clutch pedal is honestly not that far from stock. Again, you know, only FX250 stage 2 lightweight flywheel. It feels great, man. It's slightly heavier. I almost want to say it catches a little bit high, but it's good, man. It's perfect. It's perfect for daily driving, and you know, when you want to get on it, it definitely pushes the power down. So I highly recommend this. Shoot, maybe even, you know, stage 3 if you want. I almost regret not going stage 3, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I mean, the difference wasn't that much anyways. As for the chatter, it's not that bad. Honestly, you know, not as bad as you would think, at least. So with the AC on, you can't really hear much. Now let's try without the AC. Without the AC, you could definitely hear it. I got that mic set up. Can't quite. I got that mobile mic. Alright, let's go ahead and take it for a spin. First, let me take this off the windshield. Alright, so I'll film with my phone, so there will be no radio for today. Let's go ahead and get this reverse action. No cars coming. It couldn't have came out better, you know, even with the install. So. The car pulls ridiculously hard, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get that AC off. I'm going full baked mode, windows up. It's 93 right now. Florida's not playing. I mean, look at me. I was literally just trying to get like a pull or two, and look at me already. So yeah, go figure. Anyways, I got third gear, going 50. Start starter. That was first through, well, whatever, first through third, whatever. I wouldn't afford that at the end, but man, that shit is absolutely insane, bro. Like, it pulls really fucking hard. And there's a lot of traffic in Mexico. Can't get these pulls in. Not let up. It does not let up. I love it. I love it, man. Go ahead and get one more here from the dig. I'll fuck it for a second. Oh shit, I'm a rookie. Alright, let me try. Alright, let me try that one more time. Traction control kicked in. Even like a regular pull is just nasty, bro. Shit is nasty. I guess. Oh shit. I'm driving like fucking. Guess I'll talk to you guys briefly how the car drives, you know, when you're not trying to bang every gear. And like I said, man, you know, the clutch is still pretty conservative. It's not super heavy. I do feel like it catches a tad bit high, but it's fine, you know, it's not too aggressive. The clutch pedal feel is great. It's a little bit harder than the factory clutch and flywheel, but it's bearable and I'm already used to it. And I mean, some days, you know, I forget I even did the clutch until I floor it and, you know, it doesn't slip. So all in all, man, I am super happy with the product, and I'm even more happy with how the install went, man. So I wanna get out from behind this guy. Car pulls super strong, man. Bro, no AC when doing pulls. It's like suicide in this Florida summer. I'm surprised it's not raining. Let me see if I can get one more second gear. I'm beating my rear brakes here. I mean, literally my brakes are already dust. So second gear. Let's go ahead and hit it Man, like I remember when I got the tune, and even that first day, you know, I was just like, damn, my clutch is fucking toast, man. But now with this stage 2 FX250, man, shout out that boy David Patterson. It's miles per gallon now, every day, every second. Let's see if I can get a little spirited drive here. Spirited pull, getting off the highway. Just a little early, I only got one hand. I was about half throttle there. Car feels good, man, feels good. Let me see, coilovers coming soon, I don't know. That's what I got in store, so you guys stay tuned for that, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure to hit that like button, share, comment,